Okay, folks. Let's take a look at our stateroom on Celebrity Reflection. Looks like somebody's having a birthday. We're on the 8th deck. We have a balcony cabin. When you walk in, you see, of course, the celebrity bed that is rounded. There's a blind sitting out on the balcony now. Just to your right is a mirror and the bathroom or restroom, whichever one you may call it. Not bad. Looks like it's been upgraded. There's that guy filming again. It's got plenty of storage. Got some cubbies there. Got storage there on the bottom. Storage under the sink. Storage all through there. So there's plenty of storage in there. Got a really nice shower. And as you can see, Celebrity has body wash, shampoo, conditioner for you. It also has the detachable shower head. And just your basic cruise ship toilet, of course. And always remember, folks, when you're coming out of a balcony or when you're coming out of the restroom, always watch your step. Always watch your step coming in and going out. And of course, we've got our wall decorations here for that 50th birthday there. Got storage above the bed. Both sides. Got storage right beside the bed. Now there are no USB connectors. There's no plugs there. And of course, this is an older ship. And then of course, you've got your closet, which goes back in there. So it's pretty decent size. Not bad. Had plenty of hangers. And we did have the robes from Celebrity as well. Plenty of hangers. And we'll go over to the other side here and get a look. But of course, you have your balcony there. Beautiful view. Beautiful sailing. Just smooth cruising right now. And then, of course, you have your sofa. And if you have others staying in the room with you, of course, the attendant will be able to pull that down for you, your room steward. And there's a bed underneath and a bed above as well. And this way you can see this view of the cabin. And folks, I will just tell you, we travel with a venti fan. It is an unbelievable fan. It will extend up. It will go down. It's rechargeable. And I'm not getting paid for this, but I'm just telling you guys, if you want one, they got it on Amazon. It's really cool. I do not travel without it. We'll show you here on the plug situation. So in the plug situation, you've got one European plug. You've got two US plugs there. And of course, you always want to bring your surge protector or your extension, not really surge protector, but you want to bring your extension cord there that you can charge with. Well, that's it. That is a cabin on the Celebrity Reflection. And it's not bad. It's really pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed it.